There's a strange shift happening inside Samsung's software labs right now. A shift big enough that early testers say their phones suddenly feel new, not because of hardware, but because of the code running underneath. One UI 9 has quietly entered development, and the early clues suggest Samsung isn't just polishing features this time. They're rebuilding the experience in a way that could reshape how long your Galaxy phone actually stays fast, smart, and secure. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. The conversation heating up in the tech world right now is whether your Galaxy device is part of this next wave. And trust me, the way Samsung is structuring One UI 9's rollout tells a bigger story than just a list of eligible phones. This update is tied directly to the company's long-term software promise, 7 years for flagships and up to 4 or 5 years for mid-range phones, meaning some devices you thought were too old might still sneak into the lineup. With development confirmed in the latest internal test build, the first devices in line are, unsurprisingly, the upcoming Galaxy S26 models. But here's where things get exciting. Anyone with a Galaxy S22 and newer is positioned extremely well for One UI 9 because they're all still within Samsung's promised support window. Even the FE models, S3 FE, S4 FE, and the upcoming S5 FE are safe, making the FE series unexpectedly future-proof. For the foldable fans, the story gets even better. The Z Fold 5, 6, and upcoming 7, along with their flip counterparts, are all expected to jump to One UI 9. These foldables usually get some extra love from Samsung's engineers, especially when new AI features need flexible screen optimization. So owners might see enhancements that candy bar phones don't get right away. Mid-range users aren't left behind either. Devices like the Galaxy A15, A16, A25, A26, A35, and A36 are widely expected to make the cut. Samsung has been surprisingly consistent with its A-series support lately, and One UI 9's foundation on Android 17 means any model launched within the last 2 years should stay eligible. Even tablets are locked in. The Tab S9 and Tab S10 series will easily get the upgrade, but the real twist is in the features Samsung is preparing. Early whispers mention deeper AI integration that stays more private by processing more tasks on device instead of sending everything to the cloud. There's also talk of cleaner animations, smoother transitions, and UI changes that make the entire system feel lighter and more responsive. Samsung seems determined to make One UI 9 feel like a meaningful jump, not just a skin update. Of course, regional timing and carrier delays can shift things slightly, so the exact rollout schedule will vary. But the fact that internal testing has already begun means beta builds could surface sooner than expected, and that's where we'll start seeing the real story unfold. So the question now is, will your phone be part of the next big chapter in Samsung's software evolution? Drop your model in the comments. I'll help you check. And as always, stay tuned because the moment any new leak hits the surface, you'll hear it here first.